Hey Techies, this is Abbas from Coders Yard. In this video, we are going to see conditional statements. But before that, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Now let's go back to the topic. So what are conditional statements and why do we need it? Friends, in our previous video, we have used a Python like a calculator by performing arithmetic operations. Now it's time to make a Python to think and make a decision like human. Like if this condition gets satisfied, execute this block or else execute this block. So let me tell you with an example. If a user tries to log in into his Instagram account, he must enter his username or password correctly. So if he enters his username or password accurately, he may allow to log in, or else if this fails, then it may prompt like invalid username or password. So let us get some quick hands-on with this. So friends, let me teach you with some examples. So John wants to buy an iPhone. So he wants some money, right? So John equal to has money. So he has some money to buy it. So let me check with the if else condition. So if John has money, I'm checking whether John equal to means it is checking whether it is equal or not. So has money. So to use the if condition, Python says, hey, there are some rules to use the if else condition. So you must put a colon at the end of the if statement. And if this if condition satisfies, you want to print something or do something, right? So for that, you have to give a indentation. Indentation is nothing but it's a space. So it's like a one tab space. You see, if I print something like print, he got an iPhone. So in this case, we don't follow a rule. That is, we don't follow the indentation. So let me run it. I'm saving it as something as my file. So let me run the script and see there is an indentation error. So for that, I have to put a tab space. What if you don't follow the syntax? That is, if you don't put a colon at the end of the if statement. Let me run it. And see, it's an invalid syntax. So you must follow these rules to use this if else statement. So let me run it. And see, he got an iPhone. So let me make it more interesting. What if he doesn't have money? So if John has money, he can buy an iPhone. What if else? If he don't have money, let me print something like, sorry John, you have you have to wait to buy an iPhone. You have to save some more money. So John say doesn't have money. So let me run the script and see, if John doesn't have money, he can't buy an iPhone. So what is if we have another condition? Say, well, John has a credit card to buy the phone now and pay it later. So we can check in if else condition. There is a condition called else if that we call in Python as elif. So in this condition, we can say if John has a credit card, he can buy the phone now and pay it later. So let me write else if we say John that is has a credit card. So you must use a colon here and you must follow the indentation. So print he buys the phone and pay it later. So let me run the script. So John has an iPhone. Has a credit card. So let me run the script now. And see, if he has a credit card, he can buy the phone now and pay it later. So let me change it. What if he has no money? Has no money. And sorry, John, you have to wait. And this is how the if else statement works. So let me tell you another example. So in this example, we will see if John's age is greater than 18, he is eligible to vote or else not. So let us check it using if else condition. John age equal to 18. So if John age is greater than or equal to 18. So friends, these are operators which we have discussed in a previous video. If you have not watched that, I have given the link in the description box to watch it and come. So we have to follow the certain syntaxes. So we have to keep a colon and we have to follow the indentation. So print he is eligible to vote. So let me run the script and see he is eligible. What if he is 16? And let me make more interesting, like keeping else statement, else print he is not eligible. So if he is 18 or greater than 18, he is eligible to vote. If his age is lesser than 18, he is not eligible to vote. And see, he is not eligible to vote. So now let us make John's age as say 25. So 25 is greater than 18, right? So let me run the script and see he is eligible to vote. So friends, that's all for today. Let us see some takeaway for this session. Friends, there are some important things to note from this session. If else statement executes based only on condition. So wherever we need to check a condition, use if else statement. Follow the syntaxes to avoid errors, like putting a colon at the end of the if and else statement and follow indentations. So that's all friends. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching this channel for more Python videos.